Hello everyone, myself Professor P. from the KK College of Agriculture and Biotechnology in Nashik. Today we will discuss on topic biological diversity. Biodiversity means bio and diversity. Bio means life and diversity means variety or variety. Why protect biodiversity, or what is necessary to protect the biodiversity? The first one, economic valuable resources now and in the future. Then ecological, maintain local to global ecosystem health. And then legal, have to by law. Human impact on global biodiversity. The human activities have altered the world's terrestrial, freshwater, and marine ecosystem throughout history. Number of species at risk of extinction, near about 16,000 species of plants and animals listed as threatened globally. Biodiversity, the plants, animals, microorganisms, and the ecological processes that are interconnect them forms the planet's natural activity. The world is a living system where everything is connected and everything is interdependent. Sustained in a dynamic balance, matter and energy may be changed from, but they don't disappear. A basic equation for life is seeds plus soil plus nutrition plus water plus sun is equal to food. In that, natural cycles in the world's ecosystem help deliver nutrition and water to the soil. And microbes in the soil help capture and processes those materials so they are available to be taken up by plants. The plants become a part of the food chain and are eaten by other living things. The term biodiversity was first coined by entomologist E.V. Wilson in 1986. Biodiversity is the heritage of the millions of years of evolution. Diversity is the basic property of life. The striking features of Earth is the existence of life, and the striking feature of life is its diversity. Biodiversity is the measure of the numbers, variety, and variability of living organisms. In variety, the number of different types. In quantity, the number of total biomass of any one type. In distribution, the extent of nature of geographic spread of the different types. This is the biological diversity. This is a marine type of diversity. Biodiversity includes diversity within species, between species, and among ecosystems. Biodiversity includes diversity within species, between species, and among ecosystems. The significance of the biodiversity is the sum of life on the earth and includes genetic, species, and functional diversity. The status and trends in biodiversity reflect the health of the ecosystem that support and enrich human life. The Earth is home to a tremendous biological diversity. This biological diversity, which includes the millions of different species, the diversity of their genes, physiologies, and behaviors, the multitude of their ecological interactions, the variety of the ecosystem they constitute. This is the biodiversity and which is result more than 3 billion years of evolution is under serious threat today. These some pictures. Which do you like better? Picture A or picture B? I think picture B is like better because in that diversity shown in this picture and picture A shows the uniformity, black and white life levels. Which do you like better, A and B? I think B is better. In that also B is better than A. The biodiversity is spectrum of life on Earth in terms of variation, genes, population, species, ecosystem, and interaction among them. Biological diversity, you see the image, marine ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. Biological diversity organizations includes DNA, then chromosome, individual, population, and other species. Levels of genetic organizations. Chromosomes, on chromosomes, DNAs, genes, chromosome, genome, and gene pool. Genetic diversity means variation within genes, that is allele and haplotypes. Variation within individuals, that is individual heterodiversity. And variation within populations, that is allele frequencies, average heterozygotes. Then variation among population, differentiation and genetic distance, pairwise and average. The species diversity, it represents the different types of plants, animals, and other life forms within a region. It is a dynamic property changes over species and time. The number of species and their relative abundances depend on the size and the geographic area of the ecosystem. The species diversity is an indicator of the biological richness, stress of an ecosystem. The ecosystem diversity is also a variety of different habitats, ecosystem, in particular wetland, woodland, grassland. The ecosystem of the world are maintained by their biodiversity. Every ecosystem can be characterized by its own species, that is composition. The ecosystems differ in features such as physical structure, temperature, water availability, and food types. The different values, this is another part of the biodiversity, another topic, different values of biodiversity. It includes ecological values, economic values, and cultural values. And values of biodiversity also include market values, non-market, and ecosystem services. Measure in terms of ecosystem functions. Focus on biologically mediated flows of the energy and materials. The biodiversity values, the another thing is ecological. All living creatures are supported by the interactions among organisms and ecosystem. The loss of biodiversity makes ecosystem less stable, more vulnerable to extreme events and witness its natural cycle. Everything we buy and sell originates from the natural world. The next value, that is cultural. Most people feel connected to nature, often for reason hard to explain. Some feel a strong spiritual bond that may be rooted in our common biological ancestry. Others are inspired by its beauty. Human cultures around the world profoundly reflect our visceral attachment to the natural world. The loss of biodiversity is a global change. Land use change, type intensity, and climatic change, pollutions, overharvest, and species inversions. You see land use change, different types of land use type and density, then climate change, different types of pollutions, harvest and species invasion, that is the loss of biodiversity. Adverse effects on ecosystem. First one, decline of forest due to air pollution and acid deposition, loss of fish production in stream, loss of timber growth, decline and shift in age of eagle and hawk, losses of numbers of species in shift channel subjected to repeated oil spill, loss of commercially valuable salmon and endangered species, global changes effectivity, the health effects of biodiversity, in that antibiotic resistance illness, allergies due to changed pollen exposures, the nutritional deficiencies from loss of food variety, increased risk of water contamination, poor air quality, increased crop losses due to damage to soil ecosystem. These are the health effects of biodiversity loss. The Biodiversity Act of India is the government of India is approved Biodiversity Bill in December 2002, which is become an act known as Biological Diversity Act 2002. Later, biological diversity rules passed in 2004 were formulated as a step According to this act, anyone who destroys biodiversity in any way or takes it away for commercial utilization or any other purpose without the approval of authorities is liable to imprison for up to 5 years or to pay fine rupees 10 lakhs. This is all about the biological diversity introductory part. Thank you for watching and listening my video.